Hello everybody, my name is Cole Mainville, and I'm really sorry for the bad quality, but I'm just looking in. Hey Emma! Okay. Zoe, go get Dad. Or can you help me open up the thing?
No, we can't open it up, or else Emma will get angry. She's a very protective mother. No. She's a very protective mother.
Emma. Can I just... I need a... Wait. If you look over there... Okay, so we get out of the light. If you look right there, look closely, you can see little baby cat. Here, let's lean in closer. Okay, so the camera is there. Look at this. Oh, be careful. Sorry, Emma.
They're so cute, aren't they?
There are the baby kitties. Oh, aren't they so cute? Oh. 1, 2, 3. And there's Emma, the mother. We don't know who the father is, though. Some of the water spilled on my knee. Dang it. Look at their tiny tails. Their little closed eyes and minuscule ears. And their sporadic movements. Just pet Emma.
Don't pet.
Yeah, we're not allowed to pet babies. They're too young. But, oh my goodness.
Emma's gonna bite your finger off you.
I'm really sorry that my iPad quality sucks. It's just... I don't really have any other things to record like this.
Put the thing back on.
Alright, well, this video isn't all about the cat babies. It's also about Emma and Jackie. Jack's upstairs. So Emma, you're being interviewed right now. Emmy.
Don't push the box, or else...
Those little cat babies. Alright, that does it for the cat babies. Now let's walk upstairs. Move out of the way, Zoe. Good thing I didn't catch your face in frame, because otherwise we would have been arrested. Walk. Again, really sorry for the bad quality. And here is Jack Attack. He's eating right now. Hey, Jack. Hey, Jack. Oh, Jack. Where did it go? Hey, Jack. Paw. Sit. Paw. Okay, let's see him play. Play, Jack. And that's how he plays. Yep. Just like that. Yeah, he doesn't really like playing. Okay, now let's see if we can find Emma. Is she under here? No. Is she anywhere? No. She's not downstairs. She must be upstairs. Alright, let's go look for Patches. Patches is my other cat. Now, I would also show my face here if it weren't for one of the YouTube laws where if you show your face on YouTube, if you show your face for a vlog or Video. Oh, here's Emma. And Patches. Emma. Emma was the one with the babies. Hey, Patchy. Meow. Oh, my hand looks much bigger in video. I really hope you can hear all this. I don't know if I'm speaking loud enough. I think you can hear me. Oh, by the way, over here, is a picture of Jack when he was young. When he was only a couple months old. Isn't he so cute? Oh, Patchy. Patchy's an attention whore. Attention hog, I mean. Not whore. Dang it. Bud. Bud, nuggets. Bud. Oh. Okay, Patchy, you're getting too close to the camera. Okay, my little sister's calling me. Yes?
Emma's mad at you.
She is?
Yes. She was hissing.
Did you close the thing yet?
Dad had to put it back on because it was too hard.
Okay.
Now Emma's mad at me.
She's okay.
Sorry.
She's okay. Well, you should have told me you were going to go to the other side, right? Okay, but no videos hitting people.
I know. Anyway, here's Jackie again. Okay. Alright, that's really, well, there's my Xbox 360 and stuff, my internet modem, my phone, my couch, a Jack who happens to be chewing on a toy, and a couple binders from school, but I don't think you guys really care about that. This special machine called the Rainbow, and it is an air freshener. I would turn it on, but then you wouldn't be able to hear my voice. It's a bit loud.
Unless it's on low mode.
It sucks up air and filters it in water. Anyway, that'll be it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps. But until next time, this has been Cole Mainville. I will see you,
Jack.
the next video.